I was able to make around $5 in 15 days with around $3,000 invested in one of my bots.
I got the horses in the bag.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Investing Mania. I'm Terry. Have you started investing in crypto? If you haven't started or have just started, don't miss out today's video, which I'll be talking about the best tool for crypto newbie, which is a grid trading bot. I'll also show you the step-by-step on how to set up a free trading bot in KuCoin. Before we continue, please help me to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button because it will help my channel and my video to reach out to more audience. Thank you. Today's video is not a financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment. Grid Trading Bot is a bot that helps you to buy low and sell high in a certain price range and make profit automatically. Here is how it works. Imagine you start a grid trading bot at $20,000 per coin. The bot opens multiple buy and sell orders with $200 gap per grid. If the price moves to $19,900, bot buy in some coins to be sold at $20,100. When it goes down to $19,700, bot buys more to be sold at $19,900. When price hit $19,500, bot buys again to be sold at $19,700. When the price swings back up, bot sells the coin bought at 0.4 at $19,700, sell the coin bought at 0.3 at $19,900, sell the coin bought at 0.2 at $20,100, and the bot will continue to buy and sell at all these prices if the price swings. In short, even if the coin price go back to $20,000, but you have made profits from 3 grid trades. There are actually 3 points why Grid Trading Bot is good for a crypto newbie. Number 1. It is convenient to use. You don't need to spend much time to maintain the bot or learn how to look at the chart. Just choose a good coin, set it up, and wait for the profit. Number 2. It can outperform buy and hold strategy under certain market conditions. Imagine if you buy a coin at $100. 1 year later, if the price swings up and down and add up at $100. If you buy and hold the coin, you gain $0. But if you run a grid trading bot, you are constantly earning the grid profit during the price swing. Number 3. It is free from human emotion. The bot runs according to the settings, so there will not be any FOMO buy. Hey, alamak, this coin go up 100% in a day. Buy. Or panic sell. Walao, drop 40%. Sell. Which causes you to always end up losing constantly. I would say it is profitable in the long run, especially in a sideways market condition, but provided the coins that you open the bot with doesn't crash. That's why you should always run the bot with a good coin like Bitcoin and KuCoin token. I was able to make around $455 in 15 days with around $3,000 invested in one of my bots. That bot generates me 1% profit a day, which is around $30. First, you need to register a KuCoin account. You can use the referral link in the description below to enjoy a 20% discount on your trading fees. I can also use my friend's referral link to register what? No. If your friend is not a KuCoin affiliate, you get nothing. And your friend also get nothing. But if you use my link to register, you get 20% discount on fees, you know. After you have successfully signed up and passed the KYC, you will have to fund your account first with some USDT. To do so, go to Trade, select Fiat, under Buy tab, select your currency and click on Buy to buy the USDT using your local bank transfer methods. But if you are a Singapore user, as SGD is not one of the currencies in the P2P list, you can buy the USDT from other apps and send it to your KuCoin account. For me, I personally use Crypto.com to deposit SGD using PayNow, buy USDC and transfer it into my KuCoin to be exchanged into USDT. Once you have your USDT ready, the first thing you have to do is to buy some KuCoin token KCS for a further 20% trading fee discount. After you have acquired some KCS, go to Home, click on your profile on the top left and enable Pay Fees with KCS. This is very important because the trade fees can eat into your bot's trading profit. So by signing up using my referral link and by enabling to pay the fees with KCS, you can save up to 40% total in trading fees. So every $1, I can get back 40 cents. Not bad. After that, navigate to Home, select Trading Bot. There are 5 bots available in KuCoin, but I will show you about Spot Grid and Infinity Grid bot today. I don't suggest to use Futures Grid bot because it's a leverage bot which may cause you to lose all your fund in a short period of time if the market goes against your positions. Select Spot Grid, click Create. For beginner, I would suggest to stick with Bitcoin or KuCoin's own platform coin KZS. Although you can customize your own bot with lots of different settings such as entry price, stop price, and etc. But it's always best to follow what AI suggests when you are starting up, and advance to customize your own bot based on your own preference after you learn more about it. Go back to Auto, input your investment amount and click Create. Now your bot is up and running. You can monitor your bot's performance by checking at the running session. As a classic grid trading bot will stop trading when the price of the underlying coin drops below the minimum or when the coin pumps over the maximum price that you set. You will need to readjust the bot's price range quite often. If you don't wish to miss any coin pump, that is when you need the Infinity Grid bot. There are 2 main differences. First, in classic grid trading bot, each grid is determined by a fixed price range. For example, the bot will execute buy and sell for every increase or decrease in price of $10. But for Infinity Grid bot, each grid is determined by a fixed percentage. For example, if you set the percentage to 1% for each grid, for a coin price at 50,000, it will auto sell a portion of it when the price hits 50,500. It will sell again if it rises another 1% from 50,500 to $51,005. Second, for classic grid trading bot, there is a price range, but for Infinity Grid bot, there is only a minimum price to set and there is no upper limit. At the trading bot page, select Infinity Grid, click Create, go to Customize, select your trading pair, input the minimum price. Please take note, if the coin price falls below minimum price, the bot will stop trading until the price went back above this price. Input the percentage per grid, input your investment amount and click Create. To close the trading bot, just go to Running tab, click into the bot you want to close, click on the power button and choose what coins you want to get back and click Confirm. When the price of the token is outside of your bot's trading range, you can choose to close the bot and restart a new one. Besides, if you want to take profit or stop loss, you can close the bot anytime too. If you have any question or want to stay updated on our channel's update, please join our Telegram channel and group. I'll leave the link in the description below. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.